So it is day 2 of this trip. I haven't taken out the camera at all. And I'll show you why. It has looked like this, well, all day yesterday. And now today. It's supposed to clear up, but it's raining and rained all night. And we haven't seen anything. We don't even know what's around us. Yeah. So, feeling very negative about it. And this hike was only 3 kilometers, so it wasn't bad, but the drive was 6 hours. So, yeah. We're still hoping it'll clear up, but I don't know. We're gonna go and try and hike to the glacier and look at that, so I guess we'll see how that goes. Yes! This is actually the clearest it's been the whole time that we've been here. Didn't actually know what that looked like. It's a bunch of rocks. And we still can't see that way. But that is the bluest sky I've seen in an entire week. So it's also raining though. So it's still highly unpleasant, but you know, maybe we'll see something. I don't know. I'm soaking wet. Okay, we're doing it. Yay. We're gonna go hike to maybe a glacier, maybe nothing. Maybe just more of this. Went in the tent for like 5 minutes to get changed and now another cloud blew in. It's not even 9 a.m. Look at the waterfall. It's trying. Brightness! Actually, it's really bright. Oh, these are slippery. Well, we were doing really good. And now we're back in a cloud. It sucks. I feel like there's no way my feet aren't getting soaked. Oh, I like your way, Kate. I got my trail runners on because I can't wear my boots. They're not waterproof at all. They're mesh. The sun has come out for 5 minutes and it's really hot. But you know, I'm not gonna get excited because it's gonna go away. Well, at least we can see kind of something. Rocks, just a lot of rocks, really. We actually don't know where we're going. We're just following a trail. One day, maybe we'll make it to a glacier, but I sure don't see one.
The only thing I can change it up is
on the other side of that.
possible.
Sweet. We can't find a glacier. And we can't see anything. Apparently we're on it, but
Yeah.
I don't see it. I see nothing. I barely even see Kate. It was looking good for a minute. Now it looks like shit again. Okay, I think we might have found a glacier. It also got really freaking cold and a little bit rainy. We think we found a little cave. Look at it. It exists.
There's a glacier.
There is indeed a glacier in Glacier National Park. Woo. Oh, we're going in there.
We're going in there.
Let's go. This is the highlight right here of our entire trip.
Watch out for this.
Woo!
Wow.
Cool. Whoa, it's kind of muddy. Oh, quite muddy. Whoa. Cool.
It's great.
All right, well, that was sweet.
Everybody gets a gold star for today.
Yes. We did it. So exciting to just stand in a cave. In other news, it's miserable out here. Cheers. So this is called Swiss Glacier. And it's cool. And it goes way up there. Oh, and there's Rogers Glaciers over there. So that's all we wanted, really. And sun and nice views. So we got one thing. The blue is drawing us in. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Need to put my hood on. And now we have to try and get out. It's fine. Woo! My hands are cold. Yeah! Pretty incredible. Well, it is currently raining. We're soaked. My feet are absolutely soaked. But it's coming our way. This probably means that all of our tents and stuff are soaking wet too. And we have to pack them up to go down. Also, the rocks are very slippery. Woohoo! Here comes the sun! Of course, now that we're on our way down, we can see stuff. Classic. Hopefully this other cloud will clear and we can see more mountains across the way. And it'll dry my soaking wet jacket, shoes, pants, all of it. But that's pretty cool. Food, thank you. All right.
This is good.
We're packed up and we still have no idea where the hell we are. We never really saw that way. But yeah, I don't know. Time to go down. Well, that's the first time we've seen that. So it's good. I can see the highway. We're not far. Just steep. My ankles really hurt in these shoes. Not from twisting them, but just like pressure. I don't know. I don't know how people overnight in trail runners. I want my boots. It's actually where we ate lunch yesterday. Did not document anything. Some documenting on the way down, because on the way up, for whatever reason, the camera didn't recognize the battery. It was weird. So I think it was also dead. So I did charge it on the way up. I mean, there wasn't anything to see on the way up anyways. You can see a little bit more today. It's sunny for a moment. Maybe I'll just update you every time the weather changes. How about that? So, like every 5 minutes. It's pretty though. At least we can see that there is a mountain there. Oh, I'm hot now. But, can't quite see the whole thing, which is a bummer. You can see up there. That's cool. It's pretty cool all around us. Well, since I'm just going down this hill, that's very steep, my toes hurt, I figured I would tell you the story about our trip here. On Friday, I drove 4.5 hours to Salmon Arm to Sarah's house. And we had a nice wine night there. Slept there. And then had to drive 2 hours from Sarah's place in Salmon Arm to Glacier National Park in Canada. Not in the US. We do have one. It's really nice. But for whatever reason, while we were driving, we all felt really sick. Like, maybe we had food poisoning. But yeah, we all felt like terrible. Like, kind of pukey, shaky. So we stopped at a gas station and got like ginger ale and some Tums and hope for the best. It was pouring rain like the whole drive into the park. So we sat in the car for like, I don't know, an hour, because we honestly were not in a rush to get up top. Oh. And hang out outside in the rain. So I don't know, we just really weren't feeling it. I need to get better at filming when it's not great. Obviously that's hard because we felt like shit, but you know, that was our day anyways. We kind of just got up to camp at like 4. Had a nice nap. This was really tired. I didn't really sleep on Friday. And yeah, we made dinner and went to bed at like 7 because it was already dark and there's still nothing to see. So, and then you saw our adventure today. It's pretty nice. And I definitely figured that by the time we got down, it would be beautiful. So that's annoying. But what else is new? And we are back to the highway. Woo! Not that exciting, honestly, because it was only 3K. Wow. All right, my battery's about to die. I'm almost home, back in the Fraser Valley for my least favorite part of the drive. It's so boring. But it was a beautiful drive home and I'm so freaking pumped. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. It's kind of dark. Yeah, my battery died on the camera, so I just stopped to get gas and I plugged it in. So as I was saying, I think it's not smoky here and I'm so excited about it. I'm almost home. I'll be home in like half an hour, I hope. Yeah, so that was a fun 6-hour drive home. It was really nice, actually. It's a nice day. So, yeah, I think I'm going to end off the video here. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel.